Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to new topic, and this topic is potential due to an electric dipole. Okay. Now we know that what is the dipole. The dipole is consists of two and opposite charge. It is separated by distance 2a, and dipole moment P is equal to dm means dipole moment is equal to P is equal to it is 2a cube, and the total charge of the dipole moment it is 0. Okay. Now we want to find potential due to the electric dipole. It means कि इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल के थ्रू पोटेंशियल कोई पण मतलब किसी भी पॉइंट पर हम ढूंढना चाहते हैं तो कितना होगा, तो मतलब उसका इक्वेशन हमें फाइंड करना है. वी नो द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द डाइपोल इट इज E is equal to 2p upon r cube, and at the equator E is equal to minus kp upon r cube. E proportional to 1 upon r cube. So in this topic we want to find out the potential due to the electric dipole. So we start the topic. First of all, we draw the figure. Here the figure is that plus q charge and minus q charge. We want to find out the potential at the point P, which is situated from the plus q. It is R1, and from minus q it is R2. Okay. Now here the origin and the middle point of the dipole, and from the middle point we take the middle line, it is R. Okay, this distance is A, this is A, so that it is separated by 2A. Okay. Yes. So this is the figure, and we want to find out the potential at the point P. So according to the superposition concept, means potential due to the plus q and potential due to the minus q, and there are the summation of the potential at the point P. This is the superposition. It means कि दोनों के potential है वो point P पे उनका addition होगा. It is the total potential. It is Vp is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay. Vp is equal to V1 plus V2. So we can write this topic is lengthy, so please be careful, and this is most important topic. Okay, so Vp is equal to V1 is equal to, it is potential due to the plus q, and we can write it is kq upon the distance is r1. V2 is equal to potential due to the minus q, so this is minus kq upon r2. Kq is common, so it is 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Okay, this is Vp. Now we have to do some calculation about R1 and R2. From this equation and using the geometrical concept, we can take here the using the concept of the trigonometrics, and this is here I can write R1 square is equal to R square प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2RA cos थीटा। ये किस कंसेप्ट पर है वो हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं। Here the triangle, it is plus Q. Here I can write it is O, and here the P. So this is the based on here A minus B of mod is equal to under root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So here the summation of the R and A. Here it is A minus B. It is R1 square. Here I can take under root. So A minus B, it is under root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So here R1 is equal to R square plus A square minus 2RA cos theta. Here I can write as it is R2 is equal to R2 square is equal to R square plus A square plus 2R. Here the distance is more than R. Okay, it is less than R. So here the minus sign, here the more than R. So at the R2 we can take it is plus 2RA cos theta. Okay, both equation. Here I can take equation 1. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1, we want to find out 1 upon R1, we want to find out 1 upon R2. First of all, I find out the 1 upon R1 from equation number 1. Here R1 square, I take R square common, so R square in the bracket 1. Here not R square, so A square upon R square. Here the 2RA cos theta upon R square. Okay. Here 1R is cancelled, and according to the A less than R, here the distance A, it is less than R. अगर P point बहुत दूर के डिस्टेंस में है तो A less than R, so we neglect the term A square upon R square. So here the R1 square it is R square 1 minus 2A cos theta upon R. Okay. Okay. We have to take 1 upon R. So I can take it is 1 upon R1 square. Here the 1 upon R square. Now this bracket we take the denominator, but if we can't write the denominator, so 1 minus 2A cos theta upon R whole raised to minus 1 by 2. So whole raised to minus 1. Okay. Take root on both sides. So 1 upon R. 1 is equal to 1 upon R. 1 minus 2A cos theta upon R. Here the minus 1 by. Okay. Yes. यहाँ पे 1 upon R1 हमने फाइंड कर लिया, बट अभी भी एक टर्म ऐसा है, ये A upon R and we take A less than R, so we use the binomial expansion to this bracket. So binomial expansion, using the binomial expansion, here we can write 1 upon R1 is equal to 1 upon small r, 1 minus 1 by 2 पावर में हम आगे ले लेंगे. सो 2a cos थीटा, here माइनस 1 by 2 हम आगे ले लें तो यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस अपॉन 2 इंटू आर. 2 cancel, so here the 1 upon r 1 upon r1 हम ब्रैकेट में ले जाते हैं, तो here the 1 upon r1 plus a cos theta upon r square. Okay, exactly 1 upon r2 क्या होगा? तो 1 upon r2 है, इससे थोड़ा ऑपोजिट, here the sign is plus, तो 1 upon r2 में साइन माइनस आएगी, तो as it is 1 upon r2 is equal to 1 upon r, इसको प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको सीधा हमें लिख देना है माइनस a cos थीटा अपॉन r स्क्वायर। तो अभी तो हमारा आधा काम पूरा हुआ है, ये दोनों इक्वेशन को हमें यहाँ पे रखना है। ओके, सो इसको हमें थोड़ा रफ करना पड़ेगा। चलो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं, पुट both in this equation, so Vp is equal to kq, here 1 upon r1, 1 upon r1 is equal to 1 upon r minus a cos theta upon r, okay, here the plus, and here minus, यहाँ माइनस साइन है, माइनस 1 upon r minus a cos theta upon r, plus 1 upon r minus 1 upon r, both are cancelled. Here the minus sign, minus minus here plus, okay, minus sign यहाँ पे है, तो minus minus हो जाएगा plus. Here the 1 upon r is cancelled, so Vp is equal to kq, इसका एडिशन हो जाएगा 2a cos theta upon r. Okay, तो दिस इज द पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल। इसमें थोड़ा काम हम ये भी कर सकते हैं, Vp इज इक्वल टू के, क्योंकि इसके साथ ले लेते हैं, तो 2aq cos थीटा अपॉन, ये सम मिस्टेक्स, r स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा r स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे भी हो जाएगा r स्क्वायर, सो इट इज अपॉन r स्क्वायर, सो Vp इज इक्वल टू kp cos थीटा अपॉन r स्क्वायर। V is equal to scalar quantity, so the dot product it is between k p dot r cap upon r square. We can write this is the angle between the r and p. It means यहाँ पे हमने जो फिगर तोड़ी थी उसमें जो r लाइन हमने ओरिजिन से तोड़ी थी, उसका और डाइपोल मोमेंट दोनों के बीच जो एंगल यहाँ पे बनता है वो P डॉट R के मुताबिक यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं, R Vp is depend on the R and it is not depend on the magnitude of R. It is the angle between the P and R. So very most important sentence, अगर हमें एग्जाम में पूछे तो जो यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल हमें मिला है वो पोटेंशियल इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल और ओरिजिन से जो हमने लाइन तोड़ी है आर वेक्टर, उन दोनों के बीच का जो एंगल है उस पर डिपेंड होता है। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन, द पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल। ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल ऑन द एक्सिस एंड इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल ऑन इक्वेटर। जिससे यहाँ आप फिगर में ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं, इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल जो है, यहाँ पे फिगर हमारी ऐसी थी, प्लस क्यू माइनस क्यू, द पॉइंट बी, एट द ओरिजिन, this is R, R1, R2. This point P is not on the axis and it is not on the equator. but this is making angle with the dipole moment. So here the equation is Vp is equal to Kp cos theta upon r square. First of all, when I take theta is equal to 0 degree, it means this point is on the axis. Okay, so dipole moment की axis पर हो तो वो theta is equal to 0 degree. So here the cos 0 is equal to 1. So Vp is equal to Kp upon r square. There are the maximum potential at the axis, and if we take theta is equal to 90 degree, so Vp is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. इस पॉइंट को अगर हम इक्वेटर पे ले लेंगे, इक्वेटर पे मीन्स के इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द एक्सिस. ओके, इक्वेटर पे ले लेंगे तो Vp इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 0. एंड नाउ हियर द पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू a point charge, it is Vp proportional to 1 upon r, but potential due to the electric dipole it is V proportional to 1 upon r square. Okay. In chapter number 1 we studied that the electric field due to the point charge it is E proportional to 1 upon r square, but electric field due to the electric dipole E proportional to 1 upon r cube. So here the potential due to the point charge Vp proportional to 1 upon r, and here the potential due to the electric dipole it is V proportional to 1 upon r square. Okay. So this is the calculation of the electric dipole due to the electric potential due to the electric dipole. Okay, very most important topic. इसमें मैथमेटिक्स स्टेप्स ज्यादा है तो ध्यान से काम कीजिएगा. Okay, now here the next topic is electric dipole due to the superposition of the electric charge. इसके बाद का टॉपिक है दिस इज द सुपरपोजिशन कंसेप्ट, एंड दिस कंसेप्ट इज अप्लाइड व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रिक मोर देन वन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज प्लेस्ड इन द रीजन इन द प्लेन. सो सुपरपोजिशन कंसेप्ट विल बी अप्लाइड. हम देखते हैं कैसे होता है. Here the xy plane, here the q1 charge is placed, q2 charge is placed up to qn charge placed in the x and y plane. It is q1 with respect to origin it is r1, q2 with respect to origin it is r2, and qn with respect to origin it is rn. When the point P, we want to find out the potential at the point P, so we can write Vp is equal to, there are the summation of the all electric charge, electric potential, the summation of the electric potential of all charge, and this written as kq1 upon r1 plus kq2 upon r2 plus up to kqn upon rn. Okay, and this is k sigma I is equal to 1 to n kqi upon ri. Okay, very simple. This is the summation of the potential. Okay, अब हम इसके जो भी सम है वो हम गिनेंगे यहाँ पे. Here we calculate the example number 1, which is very most important. Okay, example 2.1. Calculate the potential at the point P. ये हमने होमवर्क में दिया था आपको, फिर भी हम एक बार इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. Calculate the potential at the point P due to the charge. Charge Q is given. Q is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Okay. Located at the 9 centimeter away. So we have to find out the potential, and it is located. R is equal to 9 centimeter is given. So 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. The potential, here the very simple equation, here the KQ upon R. K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. अगर आपको वो ना रखना हो तो आप K is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 लेकर भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये होमवर्क में. उसके बाद hence obtain the work done in the bringing a charge 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb from infinite to the point P. Does the answer depend on the path along which the charge is brought? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि ये the charge is placed Q and Q is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 that produce the electric field, and here the 2 into 10 raised to minus 9, here the Q dash, this is the test charge. Q dash is equal to given 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. ओके, इसको हम लाना चाहते हैं Q के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में, तो वी हैव टू डू सम वर्क. ओके, एंड दिस वर्क W is equal to, we can write Q dash into delta V, and here the delta V, we bring Q dash at the infinite distance, so here the Q dash Vp minus V infinite. Okay, V infinite is equal to 0, so Q dash Vp is equal to KQ upon R. Okay, so W is equal to Q dash is equal to given 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. K is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9. Okay. Q is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. And the distance is R is equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. तो कैलकुलेशन हम करेंगे तो W is equal to आएगा 8 into 10 raised to minus 5 joule. Okay. So that is simple. Now उसके बाद जो है वो थोड़ा लंबा है, तो एक्सरसाइज में चले जाते हैं. एक्सरसाइज में एक सम है 2. Yes, 2.13. Exercise sum number 2.13. Okay. A cube of side B has a charge Q at each of its vertices. It means here the cube is given. And the charge is split as the vertices. Okay, as the charge is placed Q, 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 is a Q, Q, Q and Q. Okay, now determine the potential and electric field due to the charge array at the center of Q. We have to find out the charge at the center of Q. Okay, so VO is equal to the potential due to the charge, and this charge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write 8 into V. We multiply with the 8. Now we have to find out the 8, here the K the charge will be same, so we can write kq upon r. R is equal to distance from the all charge, and this is the cube center. The distance will be same for all charge, and we have to find out the r. We know that the diagonal of the cube, this is of cube, this is L is equal to, we know that this is the under root 3b. B is equal to length of the one side, it is under root 3b. Okay, this is the calculation in mathematics. આપણે એને સીધું લખી નાખવાનું છે, એનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાની જરૂર નથી. L is equal to under root 3b. Here this distance, here the distance is L. ये total distance जो आप हम देख रहे हैं, this is L, and we take the distance, it is L by 2, and this is R. Okay, so here the L by 2, R is equal to L by 2. This is the under root 3b by 2. Okay, so V0 is equal to 8 into under root 3b by 2, and here the kq in the multiplication. Okay, and the 4 is cancelled. थोड़ा सा हमने यहाँ पे गलती की है, तो उसको सुधार लेते हैं. 8 kq r is equal to L by 2. Here the under root 3b into the 16 kq upon under root 3b. This is the potential at the center. It is very simple. We know the diagonal of the potential, it is diagonal of the cube, it is R is equal to, sorry, it is L is equal to under root 3b, and the distance from the all vertices, it is R, and R is equal to L by 2. Okay, तो इसको हमें इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना है. Okay, yes. Now we calculate the sum. Exercise number 2.1. Okay, here 2.1, very most important exercise, sum number 2.1. Two charge 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb are located 16 centimeter apart. Here the Q1 and Q2. Q1 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb, and Q2 is equal to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb, are located 16 centimeter apart. The distance between the Q1 and Q2, that are 16 centimeter. Okay, at what point, endpoints on the line joining the two charges is electric potential is 0. इन दोनों के बीच में हमें पोटेंशियल 0 कहाँ पे है वो फाइंड करना है. तो ये जिसकी वैल्यू कम हो वहां पे हम पोटेंशियल है उसके नजदीक लेंगे. देयर आर द P पॉइंट वेयर द पोटेंशियल इज 0. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द Q2. हियर आई कैन assume this is the distance from Q1, it is x, and this is 16 minus x from the Q2. Okay, the potential is 0. At a point P, this is the Vp is equal to 0, and it is the summation of the potential due to the Q1 and Q2. This is the V1 and V2, and summation this potential it gives us total potential at the point P, and it is 0. Now here the equation is that V1 ने आपने आप जो ला ली है अथवा तो V2 ने आपने आप जो ला ली है, तो माइनस V2 is equal to V1. Substitute this value and equation it is minus K Q2 upon R2. This distance is 16 minus X, and here the KQ1 upon X. Okay, K cancel. Now Q1 and Q2, put the value Q1 and Q2. Okay, so Q2 is equal to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. So minus minus plus, here the 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon 16 minus X. Here the 5 into Q1 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 8. Here the X minus 8 થઈ ગયા cancel. X ने આપણે સામેની બાજુ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો here the 3x upon 16 minus x, here the 5 upon 5 upon x. હવે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ આપણે તો 3x, here the 16 minus x, this is the 80 minus 5x. 5x को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले ले तो it is 8x, it is 80, so x is equal to 10 centimeter. So this distance is from the Q1. So here potential x is equal to 10 centimeter from Q1 and 6 centimeter from Q2. यहाँ पे देखिए आप 16 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. ये तो बात हुई दोनों के बीच में. If the point the outside Q1 and Q2, ये उसके बीच में पोटेंशियल 0 है, उसके बाद हम बाहर भी ले सकते हैं. ये the point P, ये the distance from the Q1, I assume it is x. Here the distance between Q1 and Q2, here it is 16 centimeter. So this distance is x minus 16. Okay. So here as it is, Vp is equal to 0 and is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay. Here V1 minus V2, sorry, V1 is equal to minus V2. V2 ने आपने आवाज मोकली दी है तो V1 is equal to minus V2. Here the KQ1 upon R1 is equal to KQ2 upon R2. K cancel. Q1 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 8. R1 is equal to distance from the Q1, it is x. Now Q2 is equal to, here the minus sign, minus plus, because Q2 is equal to minus plus, it is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 and x minus 16. This is the easy sum, but some mistakes is that the cross multiplication. So it is 5x minus 80 is equal to 3x. Take the 3x on left side. So 5x minus 3x, it is 80. So 2x is equal to 80 and x is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. तो यहाँ पे 40 centimeter. This is the distance x, and from Q1, this is the answer is 40 centimeter from Q1, and this is the x minus 16. This is the 24 centimeter. इसके नजदीक है 24 centimeter from Q2. ये सेंटेंस लिखना जरूरी है. Okay. तो दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1. ओके, इसके जैसा ही सेम टू सेम एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 हमें टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है, तो हम देख लेते हैं. टेक्स्ट बुक में हमें ये सम दिया है. लोडिंग हो रहा है थोड़ा. Yes. Example number 2.2. Here the statement is two charges 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 and minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 column are located 15 centimeter. तो दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस है 15 सेंटीमीटर. At what point on the line joining the two charges is electric potential 0? એટલે एक बार हमें दोनों के बीच में, एक बार हमें दोनों के बाहर. ओके, एंड टेक द पोटेंशियल एट द इनफाइनाइट टू बी 0. तो इसमें हमें सेम टू सेम इसके जैसा ही काउंट करना है, इसके जैसे ही कैलकुलेशन करनी है. कोई भी चीज अलग नहीं है, बस खाली डेटा चेंज है. ओके, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम हम 2.3 में आगे बढ़ेंगे. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इक्वा पोटेंशियल सरफेस. ओके, तो इतना हम रखते हैं. और आज जो भी काम किया है वो सब इम्पोर्टेंट है. टॉपिक जो मैंने चलाया है पोटेंशियल टू द इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल, इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक. जो सम हमने कराया है वो भी दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, तो आज हमने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम किया है. होमवर्क में 2 बार 3 बार जितनी बार मतलब आपको जब तक माइंड में सेट ना हो उतनी बार आप लिखे, उतनी बार आप काउंट करें. इसके जैसा सम कोई हो तो गिनने की ट्राई करें. ओके, इतना रखते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.